Rohini is saying, I'm 3 months pregnant. At 10th week, I caught cold and cough due to which my stomach and abdomen was paining. Doctor gave me Augmentin 625 tablet and some other tablet. Now cold is gone, but cough is still there. Does cough and cold affect fetus or cause silent abortion? Rohini, don't worry. Cold and cough in pregnancy is not going to affect your fetus. But at the same time, I would like to tell you that as far as possible, stay away from antibiotics. Please don't have these chemicals go inside because that is going to affect your fetus as well. For these simple things like cold and cough, I think why don't you try some natural remedies? Taking steam is going to definitely help you to reduce your cold. And if you can, grate some ginger and boil it in water, add a pinch of turmeric and pepper and make it as a tea and sip that tea, so that you will find your cough will definitely reduce. So try these home remedies, that gharelu nuskas that you say. Try these, the natural remedies, and avoid taking antibiotics as much as possible. I think that should be fine. And don't worry, it's not going to affect your baby inside.